Hi everyone, in front of me I've got iPhone 17 Pro and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. That's the first thing we should do. Then let's scroll down and go to the General and tap on Software Update. As you can see at the top, we've got something called Automatic Update, so let's tap on it. And let's pretend that you've got everything turned off. For some reason, sometimes it might happen. So what I highly recommend to do is to simply tap on Automatically Install, because after tapping on this switcher, we will automatically turn on those two additional ones. So let's simply tap on the switcher, and as you can see, everything will disappear, and it means that from now on our device is allowed to download and install the software updates whenever the phone is connected to the Wi-Fi. It won't happen during connection to the mobile data, which is good because thanks to it you can avoid some additional charges for downloading large files. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.